Okay, this is my first sound test, so I figured, why not? We'll just look at the new Nightwave, see what we got going on here.
Yeah.
Alright, so first one. 10 enemies with finishers, okay, not a problem. 3 assassination missions. And then we're into pick up 8 rare mods. Alright. 3 Void Armageddon missions. 9 invasion missions of any type. Collect Ick from Deimos. Let's see. 1,000 enemies in Steel Pass. Awesome. Silver Grove Spectre. And that is it. So that looks good. Let's see what the cred offerings are this week. Oh, let's see. Let's switch it to default. And I got the usual, the potatoes, the kuva. What I'm looking for is bingo right there. That's what I want. So let's go ahead and grab some. Got a clanmate who doesn't have the mask yet, so that's what we're trying to get. So anyway, that looks like it's pretty straightforward. Let's see what the sortie looks like. Mobile defense, spy, still assassination. We got 15 hours on that. So,
Operator,
all right.
I've run diagnostic regressions. All systems
Okay,
nominal.
well,
You don't need to thank me.
see how things go with that, apparently, and hopefully that goes good. Well, thanks for watching.